Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween table decor available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Artoid Halloween Table Runner. It is made of 100% spun polyester, sturdy, sewing soft and durable, protecting your table's surface from hot pan scratches and spills. This table runner is 13 by 72 inch, appropriate for a table that can seat 4 to 6 people. Then better match your table and give you a delightful dining experience. At number 4 we have Keystore Halloween Candelabra. This Keystore LED Halloween candelabra for Halloween party, home decor and office decoration. It's classic design and well made. This lighted Halloween decorations features standing skeleton, 2 skulls on the hands of skeleton. At number 3 we have Coralon Halloween Tablecloth. The spiderweb tablecloth has seamless one-piece design, exquisite edges and nice detail, not easily loose thread. This Halloween table cover can be machine washed, just gentle cycle. These are not only Halloween table cover but also our Halloween decorations. At number 2 we have Dye Halloween Table Runner. This table runner measures 14 by 74 in size, appropriate for a table that can seat 4 to 6 people. It has captured the spooky spirit of the holiday by leaving Halloween candy on this table runner to delight both grown-ups and trick-or-treaters. At number 1 we have Romago Halloween Decor. The upper layer is made of absorbent ceramic stone, which can absorb the water drop quickly, keep your table clean. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween table decor for your need.